Picture the mid-20th century, a time when progress felt limitless and innovation was celebrated as the solution to every challenge. Agriculture boomed with new ways to protect crops, promising bountiful harvests. But beneath this surface of optimism, a quiet, yet powerful, shift in public awareness was beginning to take root. People started asking deeper questions about the very tools that fueled this agricultural revolution. In the 1960s, pesticide use, especially compounds like DDT, faced intense questioning primarily due to groundbreaking scientific research revealing their harmful long-term effects on the environment and human health. Before this period, pesticides were largely seen as a miracle solution for pest control, boosting crop yields and combating disease vectors like mosquitoes. However, accumulating evidence began to expose a darker side, prompting a reevaluation of these chemical agents and sparking the modern environmental movement. The core reason behind this growing concern was the persistent nature of many synthetic pesticides. Unlike chemicals that break down quickly, substances like DDT are organochlorines, meaning they linger in the environment for decades. They resist degradation and accumulate in the soil, water, and ultimately, in living organisms. This process, known as bioaccumulation and biomagnification, meant that even small amounts at the bottom of the food chain became concentrated and toxic at higher levels, affecting birds of prey and eventually humans. The public became more aware of these issues thanks to dedicated scientists and writers who translated complex findings into accessible warnings. For instance, marine biologist Rachel Carson's seminal book, Silent Spring, published in 1962, meticulously detailed how pesticides entered the food web, causing widespread ecological damage, such as thinning bird eggshells and disrupting entire ecosystems. This work was a wake-up call, showing how seemingly beneficial chemicals could have devastating, unforeseen consequences for beyond their initial target. The book highlighted critical scientific findings, like the concept of persistent organic pollutants, or POPs, which are carbon-based compounds that resist environmental degradation and bioaccumulate. It also drew attention to the intricate interconnectedness of ecosystems, demonstrating that what affects one species can ripple through an entire biological community. This shift in understanding underscored that humanity was an integral part of nature, not separate from it. Ultimately, the questioning of pesticide use in the 1960s marked a pivotal moment where society began to understand that technological advancements, while offering immediate benefits, could also carry significant long-term environmental and health costs. This realization prompted a profound change in our relationship with the natural world, fostering a greater sense of responsibility for stewardship and laying the foundation for many environmental protections that we still cherish today.